Okay, so welcome to our basic skills training. This is a training for old and new distributor. The purpose of this training is to teach you and equip you with 3 basic skills, particularly invitation or surprise visit. So that is one of the fundamental skills that a distributor needs to learn in order to build an organization. And the second skill is presentation or STP. And the third skill is closing. Okay, so let's start our training. Our job description for our lifestyles business is we are a solution provider. So type in the comment box, solution provider. So before you go out of your house, before your STP, before you meet your prospect, always have this in your heart that you are there to help solve the problems of other people and you are a solution provider. You are not just a networker, but you are a solution provider. So our job description as a solution provider is talking to people. 80% of our activities is talking to people and 20% is trainings and workshop. So job description again is talking to people, inspire and help them view lifestyles business as a solution to their pains and problems. So guys, use skill number 1 so you can talk to many people. Again, this is numbers game. The more people you talk to, the faster you climb the ladder of success and the faster you can build your organization for you to have passive income. So skill number 1 is surprise visit. This is you visit your list of people at home or business address without setting an appointment. We call this surprise visit or ambush. So no need for you to set an appointment. As long as you know where he lives or where his business is, then you can conduct your surprise visit. If you can, bring fruits, simple gestures, or any food to make your list of people feel special. And start the conversation with, example of the starter conversation is, Hi B, good morning, kamusta? I was just near your place kanina. And I thought of dropping by to give you these presents. And then give the fruits or the food or any sa Bisaya, pampalipay to your prospect. So that's how you start with surprise visit. Another skill, which is also skill number 1, is invitation or appointment. So this is when you start to set the date, time, and place. So in the duplication structure booklet, if you are familiar, I'll show you. Okay, so this is our structure duplication booklet. So we have already teach you from this booklet how to set appointment. Okay, so we also had our duplication structure training teaching you how to set appointment. So given you have already set an appointment with your prospect, nakuha mo na yung date, time, and place na magkikita kayo. So, done ka na dyan. And then, eto na yung moment na you meet your prospect. So, start your conversation with, example, Hi, B, good morning, kumusta? I'm glad to see you. Thanks for giving time to my invitation. Okay, so na-start mo na yung conversation, either through surprise visit or through invitation. So ang next na gagawin mo is engage in lively conversation and establish connection and trust sa prospect mo. Make the prospect feel at ease and build rapport through form. Form means F for family, O for occupation, R for recreation, M for motivation. Just choose any of the four. So you can build rapport through example, family. So pwede ka magtanong, oy, kumusta na yung mama mo? Kumusta na yung mga anak mo? Malalaki na ba sila? So that's how you build rapport to establish connection through asking about the prospect's family. Pwede rin about occupation. Like, oy, kumusta yung work mo? Oy, kumusta negosyo? Kumusta yung tindahan? Kumusta yung shop? And you can also build through recreation. Example, do you still go to the gym? Or do you still go to Zumba? Or do you still do yoga? Or do you still play volleyball? So when is your next schedule? Maybe I can join you and your group in your next session. Now, the M for motivation is, siguro, ang laki na ng pangarap mo, ang laki talaga ng pangarap mo, no? Kasi ang sipag-sipag mo. Siguro, mahal na mahal mo yung family mo, no? Or siguro, ang dami mong racket pa, aside sa work mo. So, you're trying to build rapport through what motivates him or her. Okay? So, na-build mo na yung rapport through form. Example, you choose occupation to build rapport. So, among the four, F-O-R-M, you chose occupation. Example, sinabi mo, oy, kumusta yung work? I bet you are happy with your job. Ang tagal mo na dyan, 15 years ka na dyan, di ba? So, continue the conversation and use the this time, to continue the conversation, use the financial freedom approach or FFA. So, tinuturo din natin yan sa duplication structure training natin, and you can also find the complete flow sa duplication structure booklet. Use the following structure. Remember, tatlo to. Pain, plan, and proposal. PPP. Pain, plan, proposal. For pain, you dig the pain or the problem of the prospect. Huwag mo kagad siyang intrahin after mo na-build yung rapport. Kailangan makuha mo muna yung pain niya. Ano ba yung problem niya? Kasi again, you are there to need to know the problem kasi solution provider ka. Hindi ka lang networker, hindi ka lang retailer, na hindi ka lang intra kaagad. Okay? So, dig the pain first. Once na-dig mo na yung pain, then plan. Edify the person, relate to his pain, ask the prospect of his solution in mind, and or plans or options niya para ma-solve yung problema niya. Then, pag nagsagot na siya, relate, and then give your testimony. And then the third P for the PPP is proposal. This is the time you will sell out the lifestyles business. You will sell out your mentor, or you will sell out the event, Hope and the SO, or any event sa lifestyles. Dito mo na siya i-intrahin. Okay. So example of this flow. Number 1, pain. Ask more questions until the prospect shares his pain or problem or challenge in his job or business or in his life. So example of pain na maririnig mo sa prospect if you keep on asking questions. 'Di ba? Yung example kanina, nagtanong ka about sa occupation. Siguro ang sipag-sipag mo, siguro ang laki-laki na ng sweldo mo diyan. Ang tagal mo na diyan, 'di ba? 15 years ka na. And the probable na sagot ng prospect sa'yo is, heto, super stressful pa rin sa work. Or pwede rin siyang sumagot, ang daming reports, grabe, nakakaloka. Pwede rin, ang sagot niya, naku, bago yung boss namin, napaka-strict. Or pwede rin siyang sumagot, walang time, wala ding pera para magbakasyon. Grabe, grabe. Taling-tali ako dun sa work ko. Or maliit pa rin ang sweldo. Pwede rin, ang pay niya na makuha mo, if you keep on asking is, naku, walang naipon. lumalaki yung mga bata, kulang pa rin yung sweldo ko. Naku, dami kong loans, dami kong utang, hindi ako makapag-retire kasi ang laki pa ng balance ko sa housing loan ko sa company. Or naku, pressured sa quota. Nagkakasakit na nga ako, nagkaka-high blood na nga ako dun sa, dahil sa pressure, dahil sa quota. And though nakuha mo na yung pain, wag mo munang intrahin. Please, please. Okay? Just follow the structure. Nakuha mo na yung pain. And then the next is plan. Okay? So once alam mo na yung pain ng prospect mo, example, ang pain niya is maliit ang sweldo, then ask his plan. So example of the conversation is, I honor you for being so loyal and hardworking. Kailangan i-edify mo muna yung prospect mo. Kailangan siya ang bida. Hindi ikaw ang bida, okay? Siya ang bida. Grabe, I honor you for being so loyal and hardworking. Ang swerte ng employer mo sa'yo. Then relate. Nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. Alam mo ba, you reminded me of my job and myself before. Ang sipag ko din, gaya mo. Halos overtime ako. Araw-araw para at least tumaas ang kita. Pero alam mo, kapos pa rin sa budget. Alam mo, kulang pa rin ang sweldo ko. Ang bagal pa din ang increase ng sweldo. At alam mo, ang bagal ng increase pero ang bilis tumaas ng mga bilihin. So, yung sa'yo, nabanggit mo, maliit yung sweldo. Anong plano mo? What's your plan? Okay? So, magtanong ka muna sa plan para makuha mo yung direction niya. Lilipat ba siya ng work? Magre-retire ba siya? Or magbi-business ba siya? So, example of the answer ng prospect, these are just examples ha. Ang plan ko, bala ko magnegosyo. Then, ikaw, sasagot ka na sa kanya, anong negosyo yan? Magkano sa tingin mo ang initial investment dyan? Ilang years ang ROI mo dyan? Or pwede ka rin magtanong, follow-up question, may experience ka ba sa negosyo na yan, napapasukan mo? And then another follow-up question, may mentor ka bang magtuturo? Paano palakihin yung business na yan? Kasi alam mo ba, 90% of startup business fail dahil sa trial and error kasi nga walang nagtuturo. So wait for the answer ng prospect mo. If ang answer niya, siguro mga 150,000 yung initial kong capital dyan sa business na yan. Pero di ko alam kailan yung ROI. At wala rin akong mentor. Susubukan ko lang. Itatry ko lang. So, nandun na kayo sa nag-trust na siya sa'yo. Mag-relate ka. Alam mo, ganyan din ako. After I resigned, nag-business din ako. Yung separation pay ko, yun ang ginamit kong pangpuhunan sa milk tea shop. Kaya lang, di rin nagtagal yung business. Nalugi ako dahil sa price war ng competitors. Ang daming competition sa milk tea. Bagsak presyo, pero yung overhead expenses ko, ang laki pa rin. Nahirapan ako kasi walang nag-mentor din sa akin eh. Alam mo, may angel na dumating sa buhay ko. So remember, si-sell out mo yung story mo na dito. Alam mo, may dumating na angel sa buhay ko. Si-sell out mo na si mentor. Na-meet ko ang isang tao during that time na napabagsak na ang business ko. Alam mo, siya ang nagturo sa akin paano kumita ng malaki, pero less lang ang overhead at capital. Sobra akong grateful sa mentor ko dahil sa kanya, now you choose any of the following. Pwedeng dahil sa kanya, bayad na ang mga utang ko, nakaipon na ako, at nakaka-invest na ako ngayon. Or pwede mo ring sabihin, dahil sa kanya, kumikita na ako na hindi pressured. Masaya ang environment, supportive ang grupo. Or pwede ka rin, you use the third option, ng dahil sa kanya, napapaaral ko ang mga anak ko sa private school. at may time na ako sa kanila. Hindi kagaya noon, sa public school ko sila napapaaral, at sobrang wala akong time sa kanila kasi sobrang busy sa business ko or sobrang busy sa work ko. So pwede mo rin sabihin ng dahil sa mentor ko, nakaka-travel na kami ng family ko. Ako na first time natatakan yung passport ko na may maraming libreng travels, na enjoy ko na rin yung mga free travel incentive ng company. Or nang dahil sa kanya, now, wrong spelling to? Living, L-I-V-I-N-G to. Now I'm living my dreams. So yun, na-sell out mo na sa mentor. Tapos ka na sa pain, tapos ka na sa plan. Ang next na gagawin mo is the third P, which is proposal. Sasabihin mo na ngayon sa prospect mo, what if may solusyon ako na makakatulong sa challenge mo? Makikinig ka ba? So, pag sinabi ng prospect mo, don't wait for yes or no. Usually, ang sagot niyan, ano ba yan? Unsa na? What's that? Ang sagot mo, heto. So, kunin mo na yung flip chart mo or yung laptop mo na meron kang PowerPoint slides ng flip chart and you start presenting. So, for the new ones, ito yung itsura ng bagong format ng flip chart natin. Ayan. So, yan, white na siya. Tapos, ano na siya? Kukonti na lang yung mga lines dyan. So, madali na lang siya. Actually, fresh na fresh. Kanina ko pa lang ito nakuha from the printer. So, eto, papakita ko na sa inyo. Paano sabihin mo na, kunin mo na yung flip chart, no? Pag nagtanong siya, ano ba yan? Yan, automatic ka nang magpe-present sa presentation na. This is the time na ipapasok mo na yung product at the same time yung business. So this is the time na mag-full STP ka na. Okay? So, gets? Gets nyo na? Nawala yung aking ano. Nawala ang aking Zoom. Okay. Dali ha. So, sabi niya, ano ba yan? Kunin mo na yung flip chart, kunin mo na yung presentation slides mo, and you will do your presentation, which is skill number 2, presentation or STP. Use the flip chart or the PowerPoint file and just simply read the lines on each page. Okay? So, for everyone's consumption, eto paano mag-present. Okay. Okay. Ito na yon. So, halimbawa, nakuha mo na yung physical, flip chart mo, or meron kang soft copy nito. So, present mo na yung opportunity. But introduce yourself first. Hi, I'm Sheila. I'm a proud member of Multiplier Pro. Why I joined Multiplier Pro? I want to achieve my dreams and help my family. I want a business with a proven system and be free to travel with family. I want to be debt-free. Gusto ko makabayad sa lahat ng utang ko. Pagod na pagod ako. So, pwede mo tong dagdagan. Okay? Depende sa, situation mo. Or pwede rin, sabihin mo, because I want to achieve financial freedom for me and my family and be out of the rat race as soon as possible. So, ang goal natin for this presentation is to teach you how to start income multiplication, build business that's generating passive income, and achieve financial freedom. So, para maka-achieve ng income multiplication, number 1, income creation. Generate ka muna more sources of income. So, kung nagtatrabaho ka ngayon, find extra job, or sideline business, or freelancing, or online selling, or tumanggap ka ng online job, or you do affiliate marketing. Ang goal mo sa income creation is mag-create ka pa ng more sources of income. Active man yan or passive income yan. Now, second is income protection. This is the time na even if you stop working, ang ibig sabihin ng protection is hindi magsasuffer yung lifestyle mo, napoprotect na. So, build passive income to protect your lifestyle. And with passive income, even if you stop working, your income flows in regularly, which afford you to pay your expenses. So, even if you die, income never stops. Passive siya. Income multiplication, this is the third step, wherein you generate 5 to 7 sources of passive income by acquiring income multiplying properties and businesses. So mag-start tayo with income creation. To create more sources of income, we partnered, or sabihin mo, I partnered with Lifestyles, which gives me 5 ways to earn income. So what is Lifestyles? Share ko muna sa'yo yung partner ko. Lifestyles is an international corporation founded in 1989 by Chairman and CEO David Dibora. It's one of the leading health and nutrition companies in the world, and all products are manufactured in Canada. And the company ships to more than 30 countries. So yan, nakikita mo yung headquarters in Canada, yan ang office ng Lifestyles. And our mission is to help people live better every day. And our advocacy is to help people multiply their income, build passive income, and enjoy time and wealth freedom. Gusto mo ba yun? Kaya ako pumasok dito sa Multiplier Pro kasi gusto ko ng time and wealth freedom. So mag-relate ka. Okay, make this presentation na you're also trying to converse with your prospect. Okay? Now, you go to the next. So, ang Lifestyles has 4 products. Intra is a pleasant tasting botanical drink containing 23 botanical extracts. And it's enjoyed by millions of satisfied customers worldwide. Now, ang laman ng Intra is 23 herbs that support your 8 body system. Detoxifier, it cleanses your body from toxins, supports healthy vascular system. Ang galing sa heart. Grabe. Then you share your testimony regarding cardiovascular or heart-related testimony na naririnig mo from the hope, from the testimony ng downlines mo or crosslines mo or uplines mo. Sa example dito, ang testimony ko is, ay grabe, yung husband ng cousin ko due for bypass sa Chongwa, pero hindi natuloy na bypass. Alam mo, nag 1 bottle a day. Nasa coronary care unit na yun. And then pinaprepare na ng doctor ng 1.5 million for the operation, triple bypass. Walang pera yung cousin ko. Hindi sila maka-afford. Even if ibenta nila yung karag-karag nila na Kia Pride, hindi pa rin yun abot ng 1.5 million. Alam mo, yung cousin ko, partner na rin siya ng Lifestyles. So what she did was, pinainom niya yung husband niya 1 bottle a day. Alam mo, after 4 days, from the coronary care unit na transfer to a private room sa hospital, di ba ang laking savings? Kasi ang mahal pag nasa ICU ka. So 23 days, continue taking the product, 1 bottle a day. After 23 days, nagpa-discharge na yung pasyente. And now, buhay na buhay pa yung husband ng cousin ko. Nagbabike pa, nagmamarathon pa. Ang galing, no? Ang galing talaga ng interest sa cardiovascular system. Digestive aids, ay nako, kung may kakilala kang merong problema sa pagbawas, yun, mga constipated, painumin mo lang ng Intra. Nakakabawas talaga yan. Energy booster din, ang galing nito. Ako, chronic fatigue ako, pero before ko nakilala sa Intra, pagising ko ng alas 12 ng umaga, ano pa rin ako, pagod pa rin ako, inaantok pa rin ako. Pero with Intra, grabe, na-boost yung energy ko. Kaya nga ako, sabi ko, ay hindi mahirap i-push yung product kasi ako mismo may testimony na ma-share regarding the product. Kaya convicted ako sa effect ng product. And what else? Intra balances hormones, supports nervous and skeletal system. Naku, valedictorian talaga si Intra pag arthritis. Yung lola ko, 90 years old, when I let her took the product, ngayon 104 years old, nag-benefit talaga siya sa Intra, less na yung pain niya sa kanyang knee, at the good news is, so, hindi na siya kailangan ng collagen injection. Antioxidant slows down aging process. Kung gusto mo to look younger, age gracefully, you better take Intra. And immune supporter siya. Kaya nung COVID, grabe yung lockdown, almost out of stock na yung Intra kasi yung mga tao talagang nag-benefit sila, hindi na COVID, yung mga na-COVID, naka-recover. So, ganun kagaling si Intra as immune supporter. And this chart, ipapakita ko rin to sa'yo. This is a survey by PubMed. PubMed is Public Medicine in United States, and this is the Philippines version of Department of Health. No? So, counterpart ng US to. Now, sinasabi dito na ang Intra, based on the survey study ng PubMed, PubMed again is the counterpart of our DOH sa Philippines. Ang sabi ng PubMed, they've studied so many supplements and vitamins in the market like goji juice, which is also good, and nakaka-address siya ng 4 out of your 8 biological system. Mangosteen juice, di ba? Famous na ngayon yung MX3 kasi that's made of mangosteen. So it's good kasi nakaka-address ng cardiovascular, eliminative, yes, antioxidant siya, tsaka immune booster. Noni juice is also good kasi may effect siya sa 3 out of your 8 biological system. Acai berry, echinacea, vitamin C, vitamin E, and calcium. Pero alam mo ba, kaya pinapakita talaga namin tong study na to kasi according to PubMed, based on their study, Intra completely addresses our 8 biological system. Kaya sobrang believe ako sa product, lalo ako napabilib sa product kasi this survey is conducted by an independent research body. Meaning to say, hindi ang Lifestyles ang nag-conduct nito. So, yung second product naman is Nutria Plus. Nutria Plus reduces inflammations and cell damage caused by the toxic effects of body pollution and chemicals. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, slows down aging process at cancer prevention din siya. So, ito yung bottle ng Nutria Plus natin. So, make sure, pag nag-STP kayo guys, meron kayong daladalang product. Kasi para every time mag-talk ka na regarding a particular product natin, meron kang physical product na maipakita sa prospect mo. It's not enough na meron ka lang slides or meron ka lang flip chart kasi kailangan meron kang physical product para makita talaga, mahawakan talaga ng iyong prospect. Kasi at the end of the day, ang goal mo, at the end of the presentation, ang goal mo is mapainom siya. Kasi sure ka na pag mapainom mo siya, magre-reorder yan, and pag naging convicted yan sa product, hindi na mahirap na mai-convert mo siyang maging builder or maging user na mag-package ng Express Instant Direct. Okay, so continue ka sa STP mo. Sabihin mo, eto naman, yung third product natin is CardioLife. CardioLife supports the health of the arteries and promote normal blood flow. And proper blood flow in the body is the key to a long, healthy life. Kaya ang Fiber Life, ng CardioLife, na may Vita MK7, so super galing mag-clean ng arteries natin, yung mga naliligaw na calcium, binabalik niya dun sa bones, and it helps proper brain circulation kasi alam mo, napaka-alarming ngayon ng aneurysm, lalo na yung brain aneurysm, and CardioLife will help you dun sa proper blood flow ng iyong brain. And the last product natin is Fiber Life. It's as easy as ABC. A for appetite control, natural weight loss siya, and it helps fight obesity. and B for blood sugar level. So for diabetes, napaka-helpful ng Fiber Life to regulate the blood sugar. And for those na may heart disease or matataas yung bad cholesterol level, nako, Fiber Life, parang walis yan sa katawan natin. Nililinis yung mga dumi doon sa mga intestines natin, and it covers our intestine. Before we eat, dapat mag-take tayo ng Fiber Life kasi para yan siyang covering lining sa intestine natin, na pag may nakain tayong mga unhealthy food, mamantikain na food, or sobrang taas ng carbohydrates, then hindi yan ma-absorb ng bloodstream natin, but it goes through our madi-detox through bowel movement. So papalabas mo lang yan sa katawan mo. So healthy ka. Now, ang product quality ng apat na products natin, premium, natural lahat, natural source ang products, and regulated tayo by Health Canada. What does it mean? Pumasa tayo sa standards ng Health Canada, and Canada is one of the strictest countries and the cleanest countries in the world, measured by GMP and HACCP, meaning to say, ang GMP is good manufacturing practice. Ang HACCP means hazard analysis, critical control point, meaning to say, safe, reliable, at malinis yung products natin. Pumasa din tayo sa standards ng kosher for the Jewish brothers natin, and halal certified din ang products natin. Kaya we are able to open in Muslim countries like Dubai. No? Kaya safe na safe yung product natin, meaning to say wala siyang animal content. And FDA, kung saan tayo present in many countries, yung mga FDA dyan, meron tayong respective seals ng FDA per country. So yan, this is our Better Together kit. So dala-dala mo yung Better Together kit. This is our Better Together kit. The synergistic effect of these 4 products taken together, mas lalong nagbibigay ng faster and potent na result. So yan, ang products ng Lifestyles na partner ko in my business, yun ang ginamit ko to generate income. Then the next is income protection. Through the Lifestyles business, I am able to build passive income. How? Through this income multiplication method. This is a proven method to protect your income and afford your expenses even if you stop working. Alam mo ba, sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, the richest people in the world look for and build network. Everyone else look for work. Kaya pala, konti lang yung mga mayaman and financially free kasi halos karamihan busy sa paghahanap ng trabaho. Pero ang trabaho is just active income, meaning to say, if you stop working, you stop earning. Pero ang expenses, hindi siya humihinto. So para maging financially free tayo, hindi enough yung may active income lang. Dapat passive income. Now, si Warren Buffett, sabi niya, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Isa lang ang ibig sabihin nito. Para hindi mangyari to, dapat may passive income ka. So, ito yung ladder of success ng business opportunity na pinapakita ko sa iyo ngayon. What do you want to be? How much would you like to earn? Pag nag-start ka dito at gusto mong gawin yung business, start as a direct distributor. Then earn 40,000. Depende sa effort mo. Then go up, regional director, you can earn 75,000 per month. Executive director, 200,000 per month. National Marketing Director, it ranges from 200,000 to 500,000 income per month. International Marketing Director's income ranges from 500,000 to 1 million per month. And Global Marketing Director, ito yung pinaka-highest na position. Graduate ka na sa Lifestyles. And you are earning more than 1 million per month na passive. So how to start? First option is be an independent distributor, wherein you will purchase one multiplier bundle. So yung picture na nakita mo dito sa slides ko, yan ang multiplier bundle, yan ang BT kit. So you purchase one BT kit at 8,400. Since nag-independent distributor ka, may 20% kang discount. So you're gonna save 1,680. And then may handling fee na 275. And may manual, may marketing tools, registration fee, tsaka may insurance ka na. So one time, magbabayad ka ng 2,000 in 1 year. So ang total na babayaran mo sa multiplier bundle is 8,995. Pwede cash, pwede rin credit card. So anong makukuha mo from the multiplier bundle? You will get an initial discount of 20%. May worldwide business ka na. You can operate in more than 30 countries. One time ka mag-register, pero may branches ka na in many countries. And you get an insurance coverage worth 1 million if due to accident. And if due to accident then may 100,000 kang medical reimbursement. But eto, sa Philippines lang to. In other countries, walang insurance. So, ngayon, ito yung pinapakita ko sa yung independent distributor. But don't stop there. Your next goal is get promoted to direct distributor. Typo error. Direct distributor in 30 days. So, how to be a direct distributor? Actually, pwede kang dumiretso sa number 2. Become a direct distributor na hindi ka dadaan sa independent distributor. Ito yung shortcut. So, number 1 option is instant direct. Sa instant direct, you will purchase 17 Better Together kit wholesale. Kumbaga, bulto yung pagbili mo. So, ang 17 Better Together kit is 142,800. But, since meron kang wholesale discount na 30%, nakaka-save ka ng 42,840. Ang laking savings, di ba? So, pag negosyante ka, talagang maisip mo, kita ko na to, 42,840. And may handling fee na 4,400 for the whole package. And meron kang babayaran na 2,000 for the marketing tools, registration fee, and the insurance. So all in all, for the instant direct, ang investment mo is only 106,360. Meron ka ng global business, pero 106,360 lang yung binayaran mo. And the good news is, may libre pa. 9 bottles of Intra worth 16,695. So your profit and savings is 57,535. Now, the second option mo is Express Direct. Almost half lang ang kukunin mo from the Instant Direct. So 9 Better Together kit to be exact. Which is, ang cost niyan is 75,600. But, bibigyan ka ng 20% outright discount ng company. So, you are able to save 15,120. Pero pag business, ang intention mo dito, profit mo na itong 15,120. Now, may additional fee, handling fee na 2,200 at may registration fee, marketing tool, and insurance na 2,000. So, one Express Direct, ang investment dyan is 64,680. Plus, may 3 free bottles of Intra worth 5,565. So, ang profit mo dyan is 18,685. Ngayon, saan ka makakatipid? Let's compare. We have this comparison na between Instant and Express Direct. So, sa Instant Direct, ang investment is 106,360. Ang Express naman is 64,680. So, di ba kung papipiliin ka, talagang kung hindi ka negosyante ang mindset, pipiliin mo 64,680 kasi mura. Pero alam mo ba, Instant Direct ang mura, hindi yung Express Direct. Bakit? Kasi ang titingnan mo kung saan ka nakakamura, hindi sa amount. Where? Sa ROI, Return on Your Investment. Tingnan mo naman yung Instant Direct, the return on your investment is 54%. Ang Express Direct, yung ROI mo dyan is only 29%. So, ang ibig sabihin sa comparison nito, if you want to save, and if you want na ma-maximize yung investment mo, go for Instant Direct kasi ang taas ng ROI, 54%. Now, alin man sa dalawa yung napili mo, you're already a direct distributor and entitled ka na to 40% discount. So, ang Intra na 1,800, pag 40% na ang discount mo, may 720 ka ng retail profit dyan. Imagine pag naka-push ka lang ng 1 bottle a day for 30 days, ginawa mo yan, your retail income is 21,600. Pwede na talaga siyang pang-income, 'di ba, na additional income creation mo. And yung B-ticket, pag naka-push ka, 8,400 yan. So, 40% ang discount mo pag direct distributor ka na, meaning ang laki ng retail profit mo per box, 3,360. And imagine pag naka-retail ka ng 1 B-ticket every day. So, sabihin natin talagang full-time mo na siyang ginawa. Then, your retail income is 100,800. So, okay na ba sa'yo to as income replacement? Na ito na yung gagawin mong full-time na job, 'di ba? Mas malaki pa sa mga normal na or sa mga average na sweldohan ngayon sa Pilipinas. Now, this one naman ay papakita ko sa iyo sa next slide is yung wholesale profit mo. So ikaw to. Tapos sabihin natin nag-instant ka kasi matalino ka, gusto mo yung mataas yung ROI. So, na-attract mo rin yung mga friends mo na nag-instant din. Ginaya ka, kumuha din sila ng instant package. So, let's say, for illustration purposes, may 6 na friends mo na sumali. Alam mo ba na bawat instant direct na na-sponsor mo, may cheque ka na dyan na 16,065. And since 6 sila, ang cheque na matatanggap mo is 96,390. Plus, makaka-enjoy ka ng 27 bottles of Intra. Why? Kasi for every 2 na mapasign up mo, may 9 bottles free ka. Since 6 itong napasign up mo, meaning to say may 9 times 3, that's 27 bottles of Intra na pwede mong i-retail. And it will give you additional income na 50,085. So, ang total income mo, potential income mo in 1 month, if you do this, 146,475. Good business? Yes, very good business. At na-promote ka pa to executive director. Now, yung pinakita ko sa iyo earlier is active income lang. Income creation. Now, let's go to income protection. You build your passive income. So, this is your passive income opportunity. Ikaw to. Tapos may na-sponsor ka ng business partner si A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then si B, naging active mo rin na business partner. At nakasponsor siya ng 4 na instant direct. Alam mo ba, bawat instant direct under B, though hindi ikaw yung direct sponsor niyan, pero may passive income ka dyan. May royalty ka dyan. So, ang royalty bonus mo from the instant direct ni B, eto tingnan mo si B1, example si B1, may 4,590 ka na matatanggap. Tapos si B2 na nag-instant direct din, another 4,590 sa'yo. Tapos si B3, instant direct din yung kinuha, another 4,590 royalty bonus sa'yo. So si B4, instant direct din, another 4,590. Now si D, yung kumare mo, na nag-join sa'yo, nakasponsor siya ng 2 Express Direct, si D1 tsaka si D2. Bawat Express Direct na na-sponsor ng business partner mo, may passive income ka dyan. Ang tawag dyan, royalty bonus, 2,430. So, since 2 ang Express Direct ni D, then 2 2,430 ang royalty bonus mo. And then you keep on sponsoring new business partner. So sabihin natin, si G, nag-express direct, under siya sa'yo, may wholesale bonus ka dyan na 14,580. Which is, hindi siya passive, active siya. Kasi direct effort mo yun. Pero alam mo, dito sa illustration, si B, papakita ko sa'yo ha, si B, ang income niya, since nakasponsor siya ng 4 na instant direct, ang income niya is 64,260. Cheque yan. At since 4 yung dinala niya, meron siyang 18 bottles of Intra na ibibigay ng company sa kanya na libre na pwede niya i-retail, and that's 33,390. So all in all, the potential total income of B is 97,650. Diba? Malaki for a good start. Now si D naman, yung kumare mo, nakasponsor ng 2 Express Direct. So, ang income ni D is 14,580 times 2 Express Direct. That is equal to 29,160. And then may libre siyang 9 bottles of Intra worth 16,695. So ang potential total income ni E is 45,855. Now, tingnan natin yung income mo. Dito, may two sources of income ka na, passive income tsaka active income. Ang passive income mo is coming from sa mga na-sponsor ni B tsaka ni D. So, ang passive income mo from the group of B is 18,360. And from the team of D, ang passive income mo dyan is 4,860. So your total passive income in this illustration is 23,220. Hindi na ikaw yung may direct effort dyan. Ang direct effort mo na isang express direct, kikita ka ng 14,580. So your total income is 37,800. Nauna kang mag-sign up, pero yung mga nahuli, mas masipag sa'yo. Kaya, mas malaki yung kinikita nila kaysa kinikita mo. What does it mean? Effort determines reward. Hindi to scam, hindi to pyramiding na kung sino yung mauna, kikita. Kung sino yung nahuli, kawawa. Pero dito, kung sino yung hardworking, masipag, mas malaki yung kikitain. Okay. Now, di ba nabanggit ko sa'yo yung income protection? Build your passive income. How? Build your organization through the power of duplication. So, ang ituturo ko sa'yo, ma-duplicate ka para hindi habang buhay magbebenta ka ng products. Magtitrain ka ng mga leaders para bawat production nila may royalties ka. And that is passive income. And passive income is financial freedom. So sabihin natin, mag-start sa'yo. Okay? Tapos tuturuan ka dito na mag-build ka ng 6 na leaders. Yung 6 na leaders mo, active yan, nagtitrain yan, present yan in all functions, at talagang sila, dreamer sila. Kasi may tinatrabaho din sila mga pangarap. Yung 6 mo na yan, with the training, with the duplication structure training natin, makakahanap sila ng 6 din. So, they're starting to duplicate 36. 36 times 6, 216. Bawat isa ng 216, maghahanap ng 6 nila. So, naging 1,296 na yung team mo. And it goes on and on until you have a total people of 9,331. So, for illustration purposes, hinto muna tayo dito. Pero yung paglaki ng organization mo, hindi hanggang 9,331. Dito lang tayo mag-stop for computation purposes. Sabi ng company, yung partner natin, which is Lifestyles, based on their 35 years in existence, hindi lahat iinom ng products, hindi rin lahat magtutuloy-tuloy sa business for personal reasons. So just get 20%. Yun ang pinaka-conservative estimate ng company. So out of your 9,331 people, 20% of that is 1,866. Bawat isa ng 1,866 na active mong distributors, bibili lang ng 3 BT kits every month. Alam mo ba, ang royalty bonus mo, ang passive income mo is 1,511,460 month after month after month. Even if you stop working, ang income na ito, hindi siya hihinto kasi as long as yung mga tao mo, tinatrabaho nila yung business nila, tuloy-tuloy yung royalty bonus mo. And this will protect your income para your lifestyle will not change, will not be sacrificed. So, I am done with the presentation. Dito, ang next step mo is, number 1, get involved. Second, mamili ka sa package. Alin ba yung napili mo dyan? Express Direct or Instant Direct? So you wait for your prospect to answer. Pag sinabi ng prospect sa'yo, wala pa akong pera eh. It's okay. What if? Money is not a problem. You can afford. You have the money. You have the capacity to invest. Alin sa dalawa ang pipiliin mo? So tanong mo ulit, just to test yung appetite niya sa investment niya. So, pag sinabi niya, of course, Instant Direct. Okay. Sige, wala ka pang process ngayon. Pero, fill this distributor agreement form. Kasi alam mo, Iba yung there is power in writing. Iba yung sinisignify mo. Even if alam mong wala ka pang, hindi mo pa alam saan kukunin yung puhunan, pero talagang nag-declare ka na by filling up this agreement form, ma-amaze ka. The universe will just conspire. Gaya ng nangyayari sa akin, nag-fill up lang din ako. Alam mo, in 24 hours, tumawag sa akin yung co-op, sabi, pwede na daw ako mag-reloan. Grabe, and alam mo, grabe, call it coincidence or divine intervention, 60,000 ang nai-loan ko sa co-op. So, di ba, ano ka lang, manali ka lang, and then declare, and then claim it. So, once you have your payment, then that's the time we process this form. Kasi hindi naman ito mapaprocess kung walang payment. And so if ever yung prospect nyo is nag-ano na, on the spot, nag-decide na, so sabihin nyo, sige, pa-process na natin to. Paano ba yung payment nito? Cash or credit card or cheque? Okay, so after nyo na i-process, nabigyan na siya ng Lifestyles Distributor ID number, nasa PBC mo na, then sabihin mo sa kanya, attend the one-on-one duplication structure training. Yun yung pinaka-first and important training mo para malaman mo paano mag-build ng organization. So journey with our community of happy and positive people towards a new beginning and exciting future. Thank you. Congratulations on your financial freedom awareness. So tapos ka na sa iyong STP. Ganun ka lang, simple mag-STP. And then, in between those, kung saan ka may testimony na pwedeng ma-share, doon ka mag-share ng testimony mo. Okay? So, both product and business, doon ka mag-share. Insert mo yung mga testimonies mo. And then, tapos ka na mag-STP, ang next mo, di ba nag-attempt ka na mag-closing? Pag hindi po pa siya na-close, eto, gamitin mo pa to. Let me show you the next. Ayan. Okay. So, closing. Sabihin mo, so again, closing is the third skill. Pinaka-basic din siya na skill. Huwag mong hayaan hanggang STP ka lang. Ang goal mo, at the end of the presentation, maduduplicate ka na. Hindi ikaw mag-iisa habang buhay sa business mo. May kasama ka ng business partner. And the only way to know kung sasama siya, in ba siya or out, is closing. Okay? So business closing. How would you like to start your business? At 20% or 30%? Ang ibig sabihin nito, tinatanong mo na siya, express direct ba or instant direct? So if closed, ask the prospect to fill up the registration form and say, what will I write on the registration form? Cash, check, or credit card? If not closed, use the goal setting tool as a closing tool. So see pages 7 to 9 of Multiplier Pro Guide. And this is the page 7. So goal setting as a closing tool. This tool is used for closing or follow-up prospects. Number 1, draw the ladder of success. So in this illustration, pinapakita ko lang yung itsura. But then better if talagang nagdo-draw ka on your blank bond paper with your pentel pen, draw the ladder of success. And even if harap mo to, may kodigo ka, it's okay. Isulat mo pa rin siya sa blank page ng bond paper because ang purpose niyan is yung bond paper, after mo siya nasulatan, iiwan mo yan sa prospect mo para mapag-aralan niya. Kasi itong flip chart na dala-dala mo, hindi mo naman ito maiwan sa kanya, di ba? So yan ang guide mo. Draw the ladder of success. Then step 2, draw the P6 LOS map. Sponsor 6. Ikaw to, nakasponsor ka ng 6 na instant. Bawat instant, may cheque kang 16,065. So, sinusulat mo yan. Habang nagsasalita ka, sinusulat mo yan. So, ang kikitain mo dyan, managed check, 96,390. Bawat dalawa na mapasali mo, may 9 infra-free ka. Since 6 ang napasali mo, may 27 bottles of intra ka na libre, worth 1,855 per bottle. So, computein mo lang. Kasi itong computation na to, luma na to yung 1,850. Okay? So, etong 27 bottles mo, pag nabenta mo, kasi pwede mo to i-retail, then ang total income mo is 146,340 plus na-promote ka pa to executive director. Then, step 3, explain mo yung power leg and the passive income from a power leg downline. Alam mo, sa 6, sabihin natin, yung isang business partner mo naging power leg. Ang power leg, magbibigay sa iyo yan ng 40,000 or more na passive income. So, paano mag-power leg? Ito, yung downline mo, naka-sponsor siya ng 18 Express Direct or 9 Instant Direct. Ang tawag sa kanya, power leg. Basta maka-minimum production ang team niya ng 25,000 points in 1 month, power leg na siya. And yung power leg mo, ang passive income na ibibigay sa'yo, every month is 40,000. Pag baby, power leg siya. Pero pag lumalaki na din yung team niya, lalaki na din ang royalty bonus mo. Alam mo ba that you earn a royalty bonus of approximately 300,000 to 400,000 from a GMD qualified downline power leg? So imagine, 'di ba, pag 6 yung power leg mo na GMD, ang royalty bonus mo diyan is 1.8 million. Yan ang opportunity na pinapakita ko sa iyo para you will have your income protection. And if hindi mo pa na-close, then guide prospects how to generate resources using the capital mechanism form on page 114 of your IMP manual. And then do storytelling while you're doing the capital mechanism. Alam mo, GMD Peng Mendoza, nag-start lang yan sa credit card. Pero ngayon, grabe, no? 25 years in the business, earning 8 to 10 million per month. Meron din dito, Jun Igot, hindi ka maniniwala. Tricycle driver siya sa Jensen, walang pera, pero he borrowed money from 46 people. And now, he's a multi-millionaire. Nakapagpatayo na rin siya ng hotel. Ang dami niyang farm sa Jensen. GMD Eva Aradillos, she started with just 1 box of Intra, borrowed money from the sister. But now, she owns 2 hotels. Grabe, ang dami. Ang very inspiring yung buhay niya. GMD Nera Quiros, nag-start lang sa Pawn Jewelries, where yung wedding ring niya, sinangla niya, iba pang mga jewelries niya to get started. Pero ngayon, grabe, one of the multi-millionaires and pillars of lifestyle. So, kukwento mo. And ito yung itsura ng capital mechanism form. Yan. So, dapat may Xerox copy ka nito para mag-fill up yung prospect mo. Is that enough na may copy ka lang dito sa ano mo, sa manual mo? Dapat meron kang photocopy. So, before your STP, dapat kompleto ka sa form. Para kang sundalo na pagsasalang ka sa gera, kompleto ka, may armor ka. Okay? Now, ito naman yung another way to close, which is what we call product closing. Our product is 6 months detox program. Dito naman, yung product closing, gagamitin mo to if ang approach mo is talagang product kasi may sakit yung prospect mo, need niya yung product, siya talaga yung nagtanong, ano ba talaga yung product na yan, makakagaling ba yan sa akin? So the way to close is our product is 6 months detox program. Ang isang BT kit, isang buwan. Bakit 6 months? Kasi first month, kailangan mo mag-cleansing. Second month, need mo i-reactivate yung mga cells mo. Third month, i-rebuild yung body CIS-8 biological system natin para hindi tayo madaling magkasakit. Kasi yung little doctor sa katawan natin is our immune system. Kaya we need to keep it healthy so that it can combat all kinds of diseases. And fourth, fifth, and sixth month, maintaining a new level of health. Nalinis mo na yung katawan mo, naging healthy na yung mga cells mo, and kailangan i-maintain yan. And how would you like? So, paano? How would you like to start with your detox program? Isang BT kit or 6 na? And then wait for your prospect to answer. Pag sumagot na siya, sabihin niya, pwedeng isang kit lang muna. Yeah, sure. So, what will I write on the receipt for your money back guarantee? Cash, check, or credit card? So, if not yet closed, say this to your prospect. For you to enjoy the amazing results of the products, kailan kita babalikan for your follow-up? Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow? Or kailan ka magkaka-budget for this? Next week or next week? Mga ganon. Okay? para manote mo lang sa ano mo, sa yes chart mo kung kailan mo siya i-follow up. So that's it. Thank you, and we're done with our workshop. Sana may natutunan kayo, and let me share with you, ito din yung income multiplication manual natin. So it's done and printed already. Yan, so kompleto siya. Lahat ng kailangan nyo, parang Bible nyo to sa business nyo. Lahat ng forms, nandito rin siya. Complan, product workshop, ayan, kompleto din siya. So, we're done, guys. And by the way, pag kailangan nyo ng flip chart, this is 500. If you need your duplication structure booklet, ito yung training booklet natin. This is also 500, A4 size. And then, this is 300. For now, 300. Hindi pa siya nag-increase ha. So, yung price ng printer. So, 300 siya. 134 pages. I mean, 127 pages. So, yan. For orders, kasi we have limited, mag-place kayo and then send your payment sa GCash para ma-place ko yung order nyo. Yun. And when you show this to your prospects then, you have this complete set, napaka-professional nyo ring tingnan when you are building your organization. So yan, thank you so much everyone. And stop ko muna yung ating recording.